Welcome everybody to channel 1 made the Crypto and Wall Street channel. Today we'll be talking about the Federal Reserve and the Fed causing the crash in the crypto and stock market and why that's happening, kind of explain that, and the rising inflation and the interest rates and why that's happening. So in lamer terms, we'll get started, and this is not financial or investment advice, and feel free to subscribe and like this content. So the Federal Reserve, they have this balance sheet, and this contains the assets, and I'll put the links down below for federalreserve.gov. So these assets, this is how the Fed pumps the money into the market through bonds and through mortgage-backed securities. That's what they primarily purchase. Now, their balance sheet is probably not comprised of NFTs and crypto and stocks, because those they consider more risky. So they're gonna go with something that's more stable of an investment, which is bonds and mortgage-backed securities. So with this, as you can see, it's close to 9 million, and this is abbreviated in millions. So it's 9 million. So the Fed has issued an order kind of to taper, which was about last week. And what that means is they're going to start limiting these purchases of the mortgage-backed securities and bonds. And that is what is causing the interest rate to rise, and the fear in inflation and the deleveraging event in the stock and crypto market. So if you look at a dollar chart, take a second to load up here. If you look at the dollar chart, it is kind of about mid-year. It's kind of been increasing since July. You can see here, and this has an inverse relationship with Bitcoin. So when the dollar strengthens, that means Bitcoin is going down, and that's more beneficial for the Feds, and which is expected. So that's why it's nothing new. The Fed wants to keep the dollar there, and they want to keep the value there. So, but as far as crypto, it's not a good turn of events for the price, because the Bitcoin price is going to go down, and there's a similar correlation between gold and dollars as well. When the dollar increases, gold goes down, and when gold increases, the dollar goes down. So very similar correlation with Bitcoin and the dollar. And with this article as well, this shows that the Fed has issued, the order to kind of taper, and the rising interest rates are expected. So this is a good article to read up on. It shows you the charts of NASDAQ, the stock market, and the bond yields as well, how that's going to be impacted. And it was on a steady increase while they were buying. So this could be, a different story in the coming months. So that's a primary reason why the stocks and crypto is crashing, to put it simply, is because the Fed is tapering, and the crypto and stocks are still considered the riskier assets. So this is causing a panic and a fear in the stock market, along with other markets as well, internationally. And because of that, this could be short term, depending on how the Fed is going to react to the market, if they're going to kind of keep slaughtering it with the tapering. But I anticipate they probably will not, because the crypto market is still an upcoming market. It's continuing to rise, and many institutions are adopting it. So could be a mass adoption of cryptocurrency. So I think this is short term. So if you do happen to like this video, this substance of this video, feel free to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you.
Thank you.